analyze Bitcoin. Here, when you see Bitcoin look like ready for breakout. Well, maybe Bitcoin heading before coming downside. So when you look at this kind of charts, you are probably Bitcoin could go to targets around 90,000. There is highest probability. The reason why there are highest probability because stock market is rocketing right now, and I don't see Bitcoin slowing here. SPY or SPY 500 index breaking all time more than 700. Guys, that's not a joke. You should think about this crypto. So I'm watching Bitcoin to cross. This is what I put here. I'm watching Bitcoin closing above this flow line around 79,300, like to hit maybe like tomorrow or a Monday. Once we close that area, probably it's going to be Monday next week. That's what I'm looking. Maybe Bitcoin is going to be huge. And on a monthly here, you see we are forming kind of a bullish, and if Bitcoin go to touches around 100,000, we are going to form head and shoulder pattern, and the very close support, which is also I'm watching. Like we have already forming this. We broke out from this downtrend triangle you see over here, and you see the volume came in around 64,000. Right now it's around 78, which is that's already like 14,000 when volume flow in. When you watch market here is above zero, which is bullish. It doesn't mean like it should. Okay, we have that sell signal, which is it may be cooling down, but it may be not. It may be stock or a price went up and then market will come down because market has been very bullish. So this is very important. So you see over here I've already this red. This has been a resistance, and once we clear this resistance around 79,300 or 79,400, that when you, so the cool thing, like you need to watch every 2 days closing above 80,000. Let's put 80,000, like hitting to 8,000, and then open candlestick above it and then close above it. And then these things disappearing from here. That is going to be very insane. I'm bullish on crypto, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'm still thinking about another stock, which is it's called Aave. So Aave, let's talk about Aave. That will be my last video now. So Aave, for me, less than $100 is buying zone. So you see on weekly, daily here, we have very strong support, and we need to break out from above that $95. I started small leveling, like enabling or leveling, but I think we have that market is below zero, which is still bearish. On a weekly here, we have that one, and remember, if this will break out, we are watching around $170 to $200 per coin, and on weekly it's already on a demanding zone. So because I like to do on options, I may start now leave options and buy ifs. So like a stocks is still risk, is already of values, most of them. Guys, have a nice day.